I'm gonna explain what I just did here, and I think I did something truly amazing, honestly. So first of all, I wrote this Python code and used it in this Sony IDE. I connected the Raspberry Pi Pico microcontroller to my computer, and I transferred this code to my microcontroller using Sony. So here's the microcontroller, as you can see. Then microcontroller is connected to this Hero 298N driver. Two DC motors are connected to the driver. Of course, the battery, the energy, the food source of the driver is connected to. So as you can see, this batteries works. Both of them work. They work because of this simple code that I wrote. Isn't this just fantastic? You just write a simple code, just a few lines of code, and this whole thing works. Isn't this fascinating? I mean, I think it's absolutely marvelous. Yeah, this is awesome. Yeah, let's build some super cool robot. Terminator. So what I did here, I connected this microcontroller directly to the energy source, this battery. So before I transferred the code, Python code from Sony ID to this microcontroller using USB, and now I disconnected this microcontroller from the computer. But because this microcontroller is connected directly to this battery, this code that I transferred here, this Python code that's on this microcontroller, controls these two batteries, these two motors. It executes the Python code without being connected to the computer. So that means we basically have a very primitive robot here. Add wheels here to these motors, attach them, and you're gonna get a very primitive moving robot, sort of like I envision something like, I don't know, Mars rover or Moon rover. Yeah, it's pretty cool, I think. Pretty cool engineering.